Hello and welcome in today's video. In it we'll be showing you how to buy cryptocurrencies on Binance. Before we get into that, I'd like to mention our sponsors for today's video. An alternative method of buying crypto and trading it quite fast is ANY, our sponsor for today's video. Please go check them out, give them a try. They're in the description down below. Also, FTMO. If you want to trade and if you want to have minimal risk, or basically zero risk, and keep a lot of the profits for yourself, because that risk comes from trading with other people's money, not yours, go to FTMO and they will let you do that if you can prove that you have the knowledge and skill to do so. Prove that to them and they will give you up to 200k to do that. Okay, back to the video. So what you want to do is go to the top left side and hover over trade. You'll see that you have quite a lot of options of trading. Today we'll be covering mainly the two most simplest ones because mainly you need those, and if you go into further and you build up your knowledge, you can start using the others. But today we'll be covering convert and classic, starting from conversion. So conversion is exactly what it sounds like. It converts one currency to another. For example, let's convert one Bitcoin to one USDT. Click preview conversion. And boom, as you can see, one BTC is roughly 41k USDT, and USDT is basically equal to the dollar. It's tied to it. So you can do this with any other currency. Let's say ADA 50 preview conversion, and there you go. 50 ADA is 44 USDT. You can convert not only to USDT. For example, if I want, you can convert ADA to BTC. Let's say 0.0108.5 BTC, etc. You can do this pretty much with any different coin. You can select any different coin that Binance support. So basically converting from one asset to another. Now, for buying on the market, it's a bit different. You have all your different ratios here. For example, let's find ADA and USDT. There it is. I even have it favored. And you click it. So currently the price is 0.895 USDT for one ADA. Let's say I want to buy 50. Alright, I don't have that much in my wallet right now, but total will be 44.75 USDT to buy 50 ADA. The thing is, while in the previous the cost was fixed, you can pretty much edit the, for what price you want to buy it and place an order here, and it will put it in queue and it will buy it when there's an available price for the one that you have set up. Let's say, for example, something else, Dodge. It's not necessarily needs to be like USDT. You can do it with BUSD, Euro, etc. and others. So for example, the price in Dodge, I want to buy 50 Dodge. That will be 6.03 BUSD. And that's pretty much it. But the difference is, as I mentioned, that you can actually play around with the price here and place. So that's it, guys. Nothing quite hard, nothing quite difficult. I hope it helped. Remember, none of this is any financial advice. See you next time.